If nothing else, we should do an intro. Hi, welcome back to Trask Outdoors. We are back in Prince Edward Island at PEI Trout Fishing with Colin. Just starting out, day one, first pool. I'll give it a go. I've seen a couple jump already. And I have to say I'm excited is a little bit understated, but let's keep filming, see what we get. Oh, one just jumped there.
Hey, there's no fish in the trees.
No fish in the trees. Oh, there we go.
Oh, that's, oh my God, what a start.
Oh, right on.
Okay. You gotta stop getting the big ones on the first time. That's a huge fish, man.
It's a good start. I got to the trees, buddy. Oh!
Broke you off?
Yeah, too busy reeling. Didn't worry about the, I wanted them out of the trees.
That was a monster.
Oh, I know. Did I get that one? Did I get here? First one I lost on that take. Oh well.
You snapped your line.
Yeah. Well, as soon as it wrapped around the trees, I could tell it was going to go. You just told me I should have had an 8.
Walk right around. You can get them from there, from back on, or you can.
Looks like a nice one.
It looks nice when it's in the water.
Yeah.
Constantly taking line.
Still taping? Oh yeah, perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect.
Come on.
Nice. Well, that's on my rod.
Yeah,
Oh, so you get the sound of the reel.
yeah.
Perfect.
Mine's just a silent killer. I gotta be careful. It's a really small fly. That'll pop loose so easy. Okay.
Want me to try and net him on this side?
I might not have a choice, to be honest.
Oh, let me see. I'll hang this up
You're a
here.
hard fighter. You're a hard fighter.
And it's going to go right in front of the line. Awesome. I'll wander back over. Slow and steady. Beauty.
Right in that little lip bone right there is in there good.
Nice. Good hook sec, good take.
Yep.
Hopefully good film.
It should be.
Pretty wicked.
Sorry about that.
Absolutely.
It's out of its jaw here. That was hooked really good. There we go. Wiry. See him go? Frig, what a nice take.
Well, 7 feet's going to have to be enough. I can't bring in any more line.
No, that's the problem here with fighting these fish. There we go.
That'll do, donkey. That's a whiskey.
Oh, dry fly takes. I love it.
Yeah, I didn't mess with the reel this time. I was just go with the line. We'll do anything else later. Yeah, that was a good take. Straighten that up later. There we go. Nice.
I don't care the size on dry fly takes. I just love it. Your first fish under a yellow line.
There you go.
Let's go for more.
Yep.
Love it. Okay. That's the thing, they come right back at you, and then when you get back here, you find out. Oh yeah, foot longer. Hard to tell in here, probably 14 inches. So dark, it's hard to tell.
Another beauty. I'm switching batteries before I cast again.
We'll leave your keys in the truck off.
Yeah.
Hey, Mr. Rayer, how are you? Good.
Yeah.
Oh, that's I don't like. Great level shot. Beauty. Nice. Again, I don't think there's a fly on it.
What?
I don't think there's a fly on it.
No fly out?
Oh, no, there's a little bit of a wake there. There we go. Oh, I was wrong. Yeah. As soon as I stopped to check, he took it. There you go. Yeah. That's to the right too far. Oh, well, there's that guy. Always get him on the way back.
Whales in this place.
So tell me again why you don't have your rod here.
What's that?
Tell me again why you don't have your rod on you.
I'll see that happen every now and then. I'll throw backcasts along that wall. Sometimes I hit stuff along the back wall there. Big, beats and bugs, 16, 17 stuff.
Yeah.
Get in here, they're just all around you.
Well, that's what I feel like now. Yeah, I know. All right, I'm going 2 more feet. Because I need to. Oh, stick. Don't need to drop on that. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. All right, buddy, here it comes. There you go. It's right there. Take it. It's still alive. You missed it. Come on. Oh. Here it is right there. Zip, 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 zip. Zip, 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 zip. There we go. Whack it, whack it, whack it. You want to run, buddy? You go ahead and run. If I got to weed all the soldiers out to get to the king, so be it. Yeah, I see you, buddy. You're next. All day. Oh, look, that fell right off. Perfect. Okay. Oh. Nope, that's not it. I'm way off. That's better. It's pretty close. I think I'm still off by 2 feet. Twitch, twitch. Well, do we dare go up a little further? We're in now, I guess we might as well, eh? Yeah. Ooh. Okay.
That's heavy.
Yep, that's heavy.
Oh my God.
Very heavy. That's very heavy. Where it's fighting really hard. I can't tell, he's moving too quick. I think it's just a little one. Yeah, but he's, you don't get to play a lot of leader here, do you? Yeah.
Don't be fooled though. Every time I see one with this little in there, they bring it to me. It's so different in the dark.
He's right.
Satisfied.
He's not bad.
Not bad.
Is that 4? I'm down a few shots of whiskey. Let's see here, we're gonna. I guess he does. Oh my God, he's... Yeah, I can barely get his hand around him. Oh, fly is still in, wasn't sure. Come here, buddy, what do you got? Yeah, that's why. Oh yeah, you're gonna be a bit of an issue, aren't you? Hold on. Surgery coming. Jeez, he took it deep, didn't he? All right. There we go. There, much easier. We can see what the hell you're doing. Oh.
Some sort of a picture or good?
I got tape. We can measure.
16 east.
All right, hold them up. Just so the silhouette's in the background. Oops. Wait a sec. I'm gonna get a little lower. There we go. Cool. Okay, I need a break.
Yeah, I've got a lot of people in here that know how to handle the fly rod.
Yeah.
They can't handle it in here.
This is open for me, to be honest. This is more room than I'm used to.
Yeah. Well, that's kind of what I view it as too.
Yeah. You didn't want to try it on the dry, eh?
I do, but I just...
Every angler has their vice, buddy. You don't have to explain it to me.
It's not that. I just... If someone's going to get him on a dry fly tonight, I want you to get him on a dry fly. Oh my God, geez. Oh my God.
Uh-oh.
Oh my...
We're in. We're in. Where's my net?
Oh my God.
Oh, okay. And the action has begun. Is he still on? You're too far away from even bother taking a picture. Oh, don't fall in now. Maybe I am going to net him. Come back down this way, I'll net him this way. Oh. Can you swing him down here? Jeez. Well, if you want to swing him down here.
I want to practice this because I got to do it on my own all winter long. All summer long.
Oh, wow. That's a nice one.
Is he hooked weird, Jason? He's hooked weird, isn't he?
I don't know. Where is he? Okay.
It's gotta be. He's hooked weird.
Maybe he's hooked in the tail. Foul hooked. Going back out again.
Here's the center of the body.
Oh, well.
Just behind the keel, but that's like
Jesus. There we go.
you know you're a nice fish, but you're not worth that much trouble.
Oh, that's dandy.
Nice fish, like 17.
Oh, only 17.
Well, I mean the last one I caught here.
All right. We'll put a fast retrieve. Stop. Fast retrieve. It's floating nice. I can see it. It's always good. That was a lovely take. Lovely, lovely take. That was a lovely, lovely take. Good call on the weight. Nice. That one's good. Look at the color on that. Did it? Oh, I love that when that happens. Love it when that happens. Right, let's clip this on. Nice release. I got that on film too. That was a beauty take.
Yes, it was.
Beauty, beauty take. You gotta see this.
Ah.
Dude, I've never seen that many trout in one spot, let alone, there's a couple in there like this. And I went right up, right on one guy's back. He just sat there, could care less that I was even there. But I got some really clear footage. If I can find it where that was. Oh, no, back here. That strike, I didn't get the strike.
Hmm?
When he took it, I got that. No. There you go.
My goodness.
I love the GoPro.
Really good play.
Oh yeah. That high in the back. Wow.
I didn't know there was that many down there either.
No, there is. Absolutely insane. But we'll save that for later.